Hey everyone, just a massive thank you from Jesse and I for downloading our desktop preset pack from the Adventure Pack. We're super excited to have you part of our preset family, and we cannot wait to see your edited photos after you've had a chance to apply your presets. But for now, I'm going to help you install your desktop presets into your Lightroom. So after you've purchased, go ahead and open your email. You will receive 2 emails from us to the email that you entered in at checkout. The first email is just an order confirmation, and the second email is where your presets are. As you see, there is a download link, and that is where you can get your presets. So let's go ahead and click the download link. You'll be taken to our Wandering Stew shop, where you are asked again to download the desktop preset. It is a zip file, so go ahead and hit download now. For me, it is downloading directly to my browser, as you can see in the bottom. For others, it may download to your download folder. It just depends how you have it set up. After it downloads, go ahead and drag it to your desktop. On your desktop, it is a zip folder, so go ahead and unzip it. Here's the unzip folder. And within the unzip folder, you can see all of our 13 presets. They are XMP files, so they will work on the latest version of Lightroom. At this time, go ahead and open Lightroom. If you're curious what the latest version of Lightroom is, you can go into a Lightroom Classic, About Lightroom, and you can see it's Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. It's the 9.2 release. So just make sure it's updated and everything's working properly. But to get your presets installed, in the Develop tab, in the left-hand corner, there is a header called Presets. Go ahead and hit the plus sign. You'll have create presets, import presets, and manage presets. You're going to want to import presets. For me, because my desktop is where I stored my presets, I selected desktop. I will hit the unzipped folder, and I will hit select all and then hit import. Because these are already imported in, I'm not going to select import, but you should select import. You will see them in your Lightroom right here under the Adventure Pack, and voila. You can go ahead and go through and select whichever one you would like. As you can see, quite a few work on the same photo. And that's it. Happy editing with our Adventure Pack.